welcome to Telugu Academy. In today's AP Geography, we are going to know about the district of Krishna District. Now coming to climate. The climatic conditions of the districts are of extreme kind. So Krishna District has extreme temperatures, extreme weather. So that's the reason Vijayawada has another name too, that's called as Blazewada. Blaze means manta anamata. So fire, blaze means fire. So Vijayawada is also called as Blazewada because extreme hots. People say that Vijayawada has only has 3 seasons: hot, hotter, hottest. You know, hardly they do have winter. They hardly they do have rainy seasons. So only extreme hot climates, and cold winters may be classified as tropical. Even winters also we cannot call them as winter seasons. Just below this, just above this summer seasons. So the climatic conditions of the district are of extreme kind with hot summers and cold winters and may be classified into tropical. But it's not seriously a cold winter. Winter is also warm winters. We can say it's a warm winter. The period starting from April to June is the hottest season ever hot. Like temperatures touches, like mercury touches to like 44, 46, even 48 also. That is the very hottest seasons of this Krishna district. And next, coming to rainfalls. The average normal rainfall is 1028 millimeters. 1028.1 millimeter. So that too, if there is any tropical cyclone, then we can see a good amount of rainfall. If there is any tropical cyclone in the oceans or coast or Bay of Bengal, a good amount of rainfall is seen. Next, types of soils. What kind of soils do we get in this Krishna district? So it has 3 types of soils. One is black cotton, next one is sandy clay loams, and other one is red loams. Even we see black cotton because what kind of soils we get here in Krishna district are one is black cotton soil, that is Regur. It's called as Krishna Regada. దాని పేరే కృష్ణ రేగడ. ఎందుకంటే కృష్ణా డిస్ట్రిక్ట్లో రేగడ అంటే మట్టి అనమాట. మట్టిని సంస్కృతంలో రేగడ అంటారు. సో కృష్ణ రేగడ అంటే బ్లాక్ కాటన్ సాయిల్. సో ఈ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్లో దొరికింది కాబట్టి దాన్ని కృష్ణ రేగడ అంటారు. దట్స్ ఎ బ్లాక్ కాటన్ సాయిల్. ఇట్స్ ఎ వాల్కనిక్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ సాయిల్. Next one is sandy clay loams and other one is red loams. So black cotton soil, the percentage of black cotton soil is very high in this district, means nearly 60%, that is 57.6. Accurately if we come to 57.6 percentage of the soil is black cotton, Krishna Regada Matti. Next, sandy clay loams, 22.3% of sandy clay loams are seen in this district. Next, coming to red loams. Sandy clay loams comes under 22%, red comes under 19.4%. But most of the soil type is black cotton soil or Krishna Regada. Next, coming to the agriculture. What kind of agriculture do you practice? We have seen already Krishna district is an agrarian district. Most of the population are dependent on the agriculture for their livelihoods. So endowed with a rich variety of soils, the district occupies an important place in agriculture, which is the most important occupation, and paddy is the main food crop produced. So people depend on agriculture for their livelihood because it has both. It has good fertile soil, alluvial soil, and even availability of water resources. Being as Krishna river flows through this district, they have constructed canals. They have constructed canals on the river Krishna, and adding on that, even the soil is also fertile and very rich variety of soil. So they are very good in agriculture. Especially paddy is produced. The main crop of Krishna district is paddy. So that is the agriculture of district Krishna. Next, coming to the literacy. So Krishna district has recorded a literacy rate of 70.03%. How much? 70.03%. The district is well advanced in field of education. All over Andhra, if any child wants to like study MBBS, like to get a rank, to achieve a good rank in the entrance of MBBS or CA, Chartered Accountancy, definitely they will study in this district only. Krishna district is famous for MBBS entrance exams and clearing MBBS entrance exam, and next CA, Chartered Accountancy exams. So they are very well advanced in the field of education. Even in literacy also they are well advanced. Now coming to the availability of mineral resources. What kind of minerals this district do have? One is chromite. Next one is Kondapalli Hills near Kondapalli Hills in adjoining areas. Where this chromite is found? Kondapalli Kondalu and nearby areas. Next one is diamonds also are seen in this district of Krishna, but very in small amounts. Even diamond minerals also found near Paritala, Ustepalli, Kondavitikkallu, Ramannapeta, Suryavaram, Kottapeta, Nemalipuram, Moguluru and Putleru. So Putleru, they even find diamond minerals also, ores also. Next, iron ore. Iron ore in this district is found in Jaggaipeta areas. Which areas? Particularly in Jaggaipeta areas. Now coming to limestone. Limestone also in the region of Jaggaipeta. Next coming to mica. India is the largest producer of mica. So even Krishna district also has this mica mineral. So that is found near Tiruvuru area. Which place? Tiruvuru area. Sulfur. People do say that Vijayawada is bounded around by sulfur hills. That's the reason it is very hot. The city of Vijayawada is surrounded by sulfur hills. That's the reason Vijayawada city is hot in every season, in any season. That's the reason it's called as Blazewada. So sulfur is found near Kona in Machilipatnam Mandal. Which place? In Machilipatnam Mandal. So that's the mineral resource of Krishna district. Now coming to transportation and communications. Vijayawada city is the commercial hub and it's a biggest railway junction in India. One of the biggest railway junction in India. So Vijayawada city is the largest commercial center of this district, and also there is an important railway junction being connected to Delhi, Kolkata, Madras, Hubli, Gudivada and Machilipatnam. As we mentioned earlier, all the trains which like it is in the hub, like it's a divide, we can say. So if we take the map of India, Vijayawada is somewhat here. So it is connected in such a way that any train which passes from north to south has to stop in Vijayawada. Junction. So it has connectivity with the whole country. It has connectivity to the whole northern part of the India and even the southern part of the India. It's one of the biggest railway junction which connects south to north. So it's one of the Vijayawada is one of the biggest railway junction, and Vijayawada is commercial hub of Andhra Pradesh. Vijayawada, as it's being the railway junction, the advantage is that it has become the commercial hub, because so all the vendors or all the items or articles from Delhi, Calcutta, Madras or Hubli or are being bought to the city of Vijayawada. That's the reason it has become a commercial hub also. Next is, it has only one aerodrome, that is in Gannavaram, that is near to 16 meters away from Vijayawada, and a minor seaport at Machilipatnam. It has one and only airport, that is in Gannavaram airport. It's in the suburbs of the Vijayawada city, and Machilipatnam has a small small seaport. So the second largest bus station complex in the state is also located in Vijayawada. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru bus station is the second largest bus station in Asia. It's the second largest bus station in Asia. So that credit goes to this district. Now coming to the administrative details or administrative units of Krishna district. As we seen that, in spite of being Vijayawada the biggest city in Krishna district, but Machilipatnam is considered as the headquarters, administrative headquarters of Krishna district. Machilipatnam or Bandar is considered as the administrative headquarters of Krishna district. So how many revenue divisions they do have? They have 4 revenue divisions. Next, coming to towns, 17 towns, revenue mandals 53, mandal parishads 45, municipalities 8, municipal corporations 2, that is Vijayawada Municipal Corporation and Machilipatnam Municipal Corporation. Next, gram panchayats 970, revenue villages 968. Primary health centers, PHCs, 81 primary health centers. What is the average rainfall of this district? That is 1033.5 mm is the average rainfall of this district. Next, total factories, how do many have? 1050 factories. Parliamentary constituencies, how many MPs do come from this district? 2 constituencies. MPs, how many MPs? Parliamentary constituency means MPs. Only 2 parliamentary constituencies, that is 2 MPs represent Krishna district. Next, assembly constituencies. 16 MLAs come from this district. How many? 16 assembly constituencies. That means 16 MLAs come from this particular Krishna district. That was administrative units. Now coming to demographic units. So what is the total area of this district? How much it occupies in area wise? So it has 8,727 square kilometers. What is the total area of this district? Geographical area is 8,727 square kilometers. Population 45 lakhs 15,398 persons. So what's the population? 45 lakhs 15,398. What's the population growth? 7.87% is the population growth of Krishna district. Sex ratio 992 per 1000 males. It's not a good sex ratio, means it doesn't even crosses 995, only 992. So density is very high, 518 persons per square kilometer. So density, population density is 518. Next, literacy. 73.74% is the literacy rate of Krishna district. In that, how many male literates? Male literacy is 78.30%. Literacy is 73%. Male literacy is 78.30%. Female literacy 69.18%. It's also very good number. So they do encourage their girl childs to go to schools. Urban population 40.81% is the urban population. Rural is 59%. Next, forest extent 66.4 square kilometers is the forest extent. There's not much of forest cover. Forest area percentage only 7.61% is the green cap of the Krishna district. Child death rate 25 is the child death rate of Krishna district. Next, rankings. In the whole state of Andhra Pradesh, this district stands in which ranks or which positions? We'll see. Coming to area, it stands 10th in 10th position in total AP, Andhra Pradesh. Means in total 13 districts, it stands in 10th position. So population, it's in 3rd position when coming to population. That's the reason density is very high. That's the reason density is very high. What's the density? 518. See, area it ranks 10th position. In population it ranks 3rd position. So where is the matching? 10:3 means density is 591. So population density, Krishna district stands first in population density in the whole city of state of Andhra Pradesh. Krishna district stands first in population density with 591 persons. Next, coming to literacy, it stands 2nd position in literacy. It stands 2nd in literacy. Sex ratio 992 females per 1000 males. It's not a very good ratio, so it stands 8th position. So population growth rate, again it stands first in population density, 3rd in population, but population growth rate, it stands in 9th position. So these are the demographics of Krishna district. Now coming to other important details, about this district are, we have heard about నూజివీడు రసాలు ఆర్ వెరీ ఫేమస్. అంటే నూజివీడు రసాలు అంటే మ్యాంగోస్ అనమాట. అవి చాలా ఫేమస్ వెరైటీ ఆఫ్ మ్యాంగోస్ అనమాట. లైక్ ఆఫూస్, అల్ఫాన్సో ఆఫూస్ ఆఫ్ మహారాష్ట్ర, రత్నగిరిలో ఎలాగైతే అల్ఫాన్సో ఆఫూస్ ఎలా ఫేమస్సో, ఆంధ్రాకి వస్తే నూజివీడు రసాలు చాలా ఫేమస్. సో ఇది ఎక్కడ దొరుకుతాయి అంటే మోస్ట్లీ నూజివీడులో దొరుకుతాయి. సో దాట్స్ ద రీజన్ ఫ్రూటీ, మన అందరూ డ్రింక్ తాగుతాం కదా ఫ్రూటీ కూల్ డ్రింక్. సో అది దాని ఫ్యాక్టరీ ఒకటి నూజివీడులో సెటప్ చేసిందనమాట. బికాస్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ నూజివీడు మ్యాంగోస్, వాటిని రసాలు అంటారనమాట. వెరైటీ పేరు ఏంటంటే రసాలు. సో ఫ్రూటీ ఫ్యాక్టరీ కూడా నూజివీడులో ఉందంటే ఆ మ్యాంగోస్ ఎంత ఫేమస్ ఆలోచించండి. నెక్స్ట్ కలంకారీ. సో కలంకారీ ప్రింట్ ఈజ్ వెరీ ఫేమస్. 2 కలంకారీస్ ఉన్నాయి. ఒకటి శ్రీకాళహస్తి కలంకారీ ఉన్నది, నెక్స్ట్ మచిలీపట్నం కలంకారీ ఉన్నది. సో శ్రీకాళహస్తి కలంకారీకి జిఐ ట్యాగ్ ఉంది. సో ఈ మచిలీపట్నం కలంకారీ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో ఫేమస్. ఇట్స్ ఎ బ్లాక్ ప్రింట్ ఆన్ శారీస్ అనమాట. శారీస్, డ్రెస్ మెటీరియల్స్, లేకిన్ యూ టేక్ ఎనీథింగ్, షర్ట్స్ ఏదైనా వేసుకోవచ్చు. సో కలంకారీ ఇది ఎక్కడిదంటే మచిలీపట్నం కలంకారీ ఈజ్ వెరీ ఫేమస్ textile of Krishna district. Next, Kondapalli wooden toys. Kondapalli wooden toys are very world famous toys. Wooden toys లోని పిల్లలకి ఇప్పటికి కూడా కొండపల్లి బొమ్మలు చాలా మంది ఇళ్ళలో మనం చూస్తూ ఉంటాం. సో నెక్స్ట్, విజయవాడ is one of the largest railway junction. We have seen already, we know that. Next, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru bus station of Vijayawada is the second largest bus station in Asia. So Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru bus station, which is in Vijayawada city, is the second largest, not only in the country, not only in the state, not only in the country, in the whole Asia itself. So that was some of the important points about Krishna district. Now coming to major crops of this district. What are the major crops grown, agriculture practices are done in this district? We have already seen paddy, అదే rice, వరి ఎక్కడ పండిస్తారు అంటే where the availability of water is high, where the availability of water is much, there only paddy is grown only in that particular regions. As river Krishna drains or flows through this district, the availability of water is in abundance, adding with the fertile soil, alluvial soil. So paddy is the major crop produced or grown in Krishna district. Apart from paddy, they do also produce groundnut, jowar, tobacco, sugarcane and mangoes. Tobacco is grown in black cotton soils of Krishna Regada Mattilu. No, this for to grow tobacco, black cotton soil is suitable. So that's the reason even Guntur also produces black tobacco, because it also has black cotton soil. Even Krishna also grows tobacco. Next, sugarcane. Next is mangoes. We have seen Nuzivedu, Nuzivedu mangoes are very famous mangoes, where fruity factory, in the fruity cool drink, almost these mangoes are being used. So these are the major crops of Krishna district. Now coming to the factories. Major factories of this district. They are Kolleru paper mills in Bomaluru, Associated Cements in Tadepalli, and Vijayawada thermal power station in Ibrahimpatam, that is near to Vijayawada, 16 kilometers from the city of Vijayawada. And next is Bharat Electricals Limited, that is in Nimmakuru. These are the famous factories in the district of Vijayawada. Krishna, not Vijayawada, Krishna. That's all for today. Hope you liked the class. Thank you.